2015 Audi Sq5. Went to another shop. They replaced the alternator down there. You could barely see it. And for a noise that he was having, a whistling noise. So when it came to us, I saw the breather hose had a hole in it. He had a check engine light on, and somebody zip tied it, but left a hole. We've changed this breather hose, put it back together, and it was whistling because this oil separator was broken. This is the old oil separator, the diaphragm, and that's the new one that goes down over here. And we changed this little diaphragm underneath the supercharger, which is over here. Change a bunch of gaskets and O-rings, and the whistling noise will go away. And it happens because it's sucking raw vacuum into the engine. Couldn't even pull the oil cap off. There was so much vacuum inside this engine. It was like pulling and forcing me out.